In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your preferred Bible version on Devotional Bible app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. As you can see, I've installed this Devotional Bible app, but by default, if I open any chapter, it is by default under King James Version. I'll wish to set this to New King James Version to be my default version. To do this is quite simple. Just go to the homepage once you have opened your Devotional Bible. So just tap on it and then go to this menu, and under menu, look for settings. Now under this, look for Bible versions, and here you can see we have version settings for select default version and also preferred audio version. So I'm interested in this default version. I'll change this from King James Version to New King James Version. So I'll tap on this, and now as you can see, New King James Version has been set as the default version. If you also wish, you can do the same on preferred audio version if you normally use the audio version. And as you can see, we have only the King James Version without music and with music. So if you want with music, you can choose that. Now once you are done, if you go back and now open any Bible verse, now the default version is New King James Version, as you can see here, and this now will apply to all the books. If you open any book, you can see like this, we have now New King James Version as our default version. So that's how you can change your default Bible version on Devotional Bible app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.